Hi, I'm Misty Lynch, CFP, the owner of Soundview Financial Advisors, and here are 3 ways you can reinvest profit back into your small business. The first, technology or equipment upgrades. Reinvest profits in systems that enhance efficiency and productivity. Purchase new computers, software, manufacturing equipment, or things that improve your core business function. The second is education and training. Invest in your greatest asset, you and your employees. Professional development improves performance, productivity, increases job satisfaction, and creates loyalty to your company. The third is marketing and expansion. Expanding the reach of your brand is a great use of unexpected profits. You can improve your marketing by hiring a marketing agency to help you develop a comprehensive strategy, or if your business is doing well locally, consider expanding into new locations. Remember, reinvestments should improve your business and create future growth. Every business is unique, and the right investment depends on your specific situation and goals. Talk to a financial pro to fully understand the potential tax implications of each reinvestment opportunity